When people start talking about crypto or blockchain, do you find yourself saying, that doesn't make sense? Thanks, Ron Burgundy.
Let me try and see if I can simplify this a bit. Imagine you have a book and you'd like to return the book back to a library. But now you also imagine that all the libraries in the world are connected somehow, hypothetical. So, because they're all connected, that essentially means that now you don't need to return the book back to the same library or even the same library chain. You could return this book to any library in the entire world. Now, imagine you took a Peter Pan book from a library in New York and decided to return it to a library in Finland. Now, once you return the book to the library in Finland, it will make a record of the fact that you, or say in this case, I, Addy, returned the Peter Pan book that I had taken and let all the other libraries in the world know that I returned the book, thereby closing out that loop. Now, how does this translate to what blockchain truly is and what it does? So you can think of the library as nodes or computers around the world, and think of the books you are carrying as Bitcoin. And the underlying network that connects all the libraries is the blockchain. So blockchain helped facilitate transaction between two parties. In my example, the two parties were me and the library. Now, in real life, those two parties could be peer to peer, person to person to business, or business to business. And this transaction, well, in my example, it was merely returning a book that I had checked out. But the actual transaction could be anything.